So we decided to collaborate with her Instant Diet for Banana Bread because we're huge fans of it itself. So she one day kind of dropped off a full loaf, gave us the freedom to create what we could using our smoothie backgrounds. And after a couple weeks of testing, we ended up creating the banana bread smoothie. So it's our first of our sort of indulgence treat-oriented products, I'd say. It's kind of unique. We take 2 thin slices of actual banana bread. We blend it with our soy milk, cinnamon, vanilla, and whip it all together, and it sort of creates a creamy version of banana bread. And then we top it with crushed macadamia nuts to kind of give it that sort of like sweet indulgence.
Yeah. So what would be your next indulgent kind of
Product?
Product kind of treat?
Yeah, I think either the key lime pie or the apple pie. I think coming into December month, I think both of those would be suitable choices. Yeah, one of those two, because they're very kind of just after the autumn season, kind of into like the warm season, I guess.
Yeah.
In terms of other kind of unique creations we're working towards, we're doing a dairy-free hot chocolate. I won't reveal the process yet because it's kind of unique, but it's definitely a sort of unconventional way